Hell yeah, that was a motherfucking trip the way y'all niggas had the whole world saying, nah. Let's see what your dog father working with on this shit here, check this out. Let me hear you say, woof, motherfucker, woof, motherfucker. Come on, everybody, let me hear you say, woof, motherfucker, woof, motherfucker.
I run with convicted felons, screaming, yelling, bitch, I'm a soldier. Sick in my chrome retriever, and I'm just to get it on. Influenced by the dozer, blasting at the rollers, causing company closures, fucking over the soul. Big Mo should've told you, I ain't nothing nice. Snoop brought the boss, I got the spark that's gonna bite. I put it on my life in my favorite weed pipe. Soldier breeze with eyes and watch me loot up in the night. I'm capital to F5, the one that bad shot it. Bringing the drama like your fault, punch them on fucking somebody. Was lottie-dottie, did the juice up in the coop, but now the heart ain't stupid as soldiers, so make it say,
woof, motherfucker, woof, motherfucker.